Hey there, y'all. It's Janae again. So I wanted to talk today to you couples about what I mean by creating a dynamic sexual relationship. What is a dynamic sexual relationship? So what typically happens in coupledom is that we get stuck into a specific routine. Like there's a particular type of events that we do when it comes to sex, whatever it is. Like we have our routine, we have our pattern. You may know that, oh, this is something that will always help my partner get off, right? And so we do this time and time again. And part of the problem with that is it breeds, frankly, boredom. And to be honest with you, women tend to get bored in sex a lot more than men do. That's definitely been my experience. In fact, the research actually shows that. So what we want to do, particularly if you're in a long-term relationship, is to create a dynamic sexual relationship that will keep you interested, that will keep you involved, that will prevent boredom from popping up, so that you can stay connected and can still enjoy each other and you can try new things. The program, the workshop that I'm teaching, Passion in the Pandemic, its intention is to create the atmosphere so that you can build a dynamic sexual relationship. And we do that by having a number of new skills that you're going to learn. Like, for example, we're going to spend a lot of time working on how do you build erotic energy between you and your partner, and really understanding what is erotic energy. Like, we think we know what erotic energy is, but there are actually very specific things that we can do: tantalizing, teasing, taking our time, working actually with feeling the energy. And this is something that most couples really don't understand and haven't ever had experience around. What is it like to actually feel erotic energy? Or maybe you felt that erotic energy in the very first 6 months of your relationship, when all of that new relationship energy and all of those hormones were flowing, but you haven't felt it in a long time. So this workshop is specifically meant to help you work on that skill of building erotic energy so that you can have a long-term dynamic sexual relationship. So if this sounds intriguing to you, I really suggest that you sign up for it. And my suggestion is that you sign up for all 6 modules, because each module will kind of build upon each other. And if that doesn't work for you, then you have the flexibility just to sign up for the modules that pique your interest or that happen to work with the dates that work with your calendar. If you have questions about the workshop, if you're not sure whether or not you're the right people to attend, I guarantee you everybody is. This is for beginners. No matter what level you're at, if you're a beginner level or if you're at an advanced level, you will get a lot out of this workshop. Hope to see you there. Bye.